Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2024 Case IH 250 Magnum tractor. I'm here in Amboy, Illinois. We traded this in along with a couple of others from a pretty good sized operation just south and east of us. We've had many of their tractors and they're all very much like this one. Well maintained, they take care of it, they don't abuse them. The tractors are spec'd with Ballast package, single tires on the front, 50-inch rears, 3-point PTO, actually the 540,000 PTO. It's got the 1,000, big 1,000 in it right now. 5 valves. They are sold new with 2-year warranty, and if you want to see the exact specifications, go click on the service log on the website and you'll find exactly how it was built. Again, nice looking, everything is nice in it. Here's the box for the extra PTO shafts. Fire it up here. There's the hours, 426. Of course, it's got the 1200 monitor. I don't remember what level of guidance this one has, but you'll see, or it'll be shown on the spec sheet that is in the service log in the website. But again, you won't be disappointed. You come to Amboy and look at this 250, and there's one just like it also. So come and give us a call. Appreciate you watching the video.